In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll walk through how to sync your account with Google Calendar using the sync with other calendars option step by step, so everything stays organized and updates seamlessly. Start by looking to the left side of your screen. That's where the main navigation or settings panel typically lives. Scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled sync with other calendars. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see all the options. This section is where you connect your account to external calendars so your events can stay aligned in one place. Go ahead and click Sync with other calendars. This opens the calendar integration area. Here you'll see different providers you can connect to. Since we're focusing on Google, find and click Google Calendar. Selecting this ensures the system prepares the correct connection workflow for your Google account. Next, click Connect to Google Calendar. This will trigger the Google authorization process. A window may pop up asking you to choose your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. This is normal and required so the app can access your calendar. Use a work or personal Google account that makes sense for your schedule. If you're already signed in, you might simply confirm the connection. If not, sign in securely and proceed. Keep in mind you're not sharing your password with the app. Google manages the authentication and only shares calendar access once you approve it. After connecting, you'll see a form or configuration screen where you need to complete the required information. This usually includes selecting which specific Google Calendar to sync, choosing default settings like a primary calendar for new events, and possibly setting preferences such as time zone or visibility. Fill out all required fields carefully. If there are optional descriptions or labels, use them to make it easier to recognize this calendar later. Double check that you're choosing the correct calendar, especially if your account has multiple calendars, shared calendars, or project-specific ones. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation or success message indicating the connection is active. The first sync may take a few minutes, especially if your calendar is large. After saving, you can open Google Calendar in a new tab to confirm that events are appearing as expected. If something looks off, return to the same sync with other calendars area to review your selections, and make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the connection process. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now connected and ready to keep your schedule.